What? No, he had like 2 feet. What's going on? Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. It's another day in our life of just trying to make a living. We're gonna be loading up a bunch of trucks, probably around 20 trucks. We're gonna take you along. You got it, Leon? Almost. We're out here in East Texas, and we're working for a customer who sold a bunch of used silos and bucket elevators. It's going to be going down south to the across the border, and we're going to be loading it all up. We're going to be loading up parts of the silos. Here's just part of it that we're loading up. Right now we're just kind of parting some pieces out so it'll fit on the truck, and we're going to take you along. So if you're into this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button and follow along. It's gonna be like playing Tetris. It's like we're a little kid again, only with big blocks. Stay tuned. Alright, we gotta load some pretty wide silos. So we built this some fork extensions out of channel. You see here, makes the forks a lot longer. So we're gonna go test it out before we get too hot and heavy. Make sure these bad boys work. Alright, so here's the rest of the loads right over here. They're big silos, all these stacked together. And in order to ship them this way, they're built in sections. So imagine the other piece will be down here. It'll be standing up, bolted together, and then they stack up. So that's what we need these forks for. As you can see, these are pretty long. And so we went ahead and built those extensions. So we're gonna test it out, make sure they fit before we get too far along. So let's check this out. Fingers crossed. Well, it worked, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of strength inside of those. I don't know if you can see real well. You got a little bit more flex than I like, so we may add a little flat bar right in here to stiffen it up. But they worked. Oh man. Day 375 walking around with no trucks. You know, sometimes you'll win some and you lose some. We started on a Monday, it's now Thursday, and we're gonna get our first truck today at 3 p.m. and then get the other one around 5:30 when the sun starts going down, so we can start loading all the stuff behind us. All we want to do is play a little truck Tetris and get some stuff loaded. But stay tuned, and we'll get some of these things loaded up and see how it goes. I'm exhausted doing absolutely nothing. We got everything ready to go, everything staged, so we can load it all up. And we're just here bored waiting on trucks. First truck has arrived. It's an hour later than we expected. So now we start loading. on to the last load of the day. Whew. We're loading out about 1 truck an hour. Trying to beat that record. This truck is over 45 minutes. One last truck to get unstuck. Big boy Dodge with the Cummins, pulling out the little bitty Dodge with the Hemi. I think they should do a tug of war. And with that, as you can see, the last truck's loaded for the day. So we're going to continue this on next week. But that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. Check out more of our blue collar vlogs. Can't even talk, I'm exhausted. All right, well, I'm not dragging up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here to the next one. Till next time, peace.